Assalamualaikum. So we are from group 4 and today we are going to present about our tutorial. So for diagram 3, it shows a situation involving 8 plus 6, and for diagram 4, it shows how David used interlocking cubes to calculate 8 plus 6. So the first question is, what number did David decompose to make 10? So here is the solution. So according to the diagram, it shows two groups of blocks, and the first group of blocks contain 8 blocks and the second group contains 6 blocks. So what did I do? What did David do? He decomposed 6 blocks into two groups, which contain 4 blocks and 2 blocks. And then in order to gain 10, he just add up the 8 blocks from the diagram 3, and then he add up with the 2 blocks that he had decomposed earlier, and then the answer is 10. So for the second question, what numbers did David compose to get the answer? For the 6 blocks that he had decomposed earlier, he gained 4 and 2. And then in order to get 14, he added up the 10 blocks from the first question earlier with the 4 blocks, and then the answer is 40.
Alright, now moving on to the question C. How would you record David's strategies without drawing the interlocking cubes? Alright. The first step is I will make a plan to get to the easiest plan to get to 10, which is, as we know, 8 is close to 10, which we required 2 from other number. So the other number is 6. So we need to subtract 2 from 6 to get 2. And then we add up the remainder, which is 6 minus 2, 4. And we add to the remainder. The remainder add to 10. So we'll get 10 plus 4, which is 14. This is just like the cube just now, but we do it in mentally. All right, moving on.
Question 5. Calculate 8 plus 6 by decomposing a different number from David to make 10. So, for 8, we represent it by blue blocks, and for 6, we represented it in red block. So, for blue blocks, we divided it by 2 equal parts. So, one part will get 4, and another part also get 4 blue blocks. So, to make it 10, we combine blue blocks and red blocks. So 4 blue block combined with 6 red block. So we get 4 plus 6 and we get 10. 10 blocks. Or another method is, or another solution, I think, we have 8 blue blocks and 6 red blocks. And for 8 blue block, we subtraction it with 4. So 8 minus 4 will leave 4, and the 4 that we have subtracted from 8 will be add into red block. So 6 plus 4 will get 10. And the result is the 8 minus 4 will leave 4, and the 6 plus 4 will get 10, and the total is 4 plus 10 we get 40.
Okay, for the last question is between 6 and 8, which number you will decompose to addition justify? So in this question, we need to choose between 6 or 8 that we want to decompose because and justify the answer. So the answer for this question is between 6 and 8. I will decompose 8 into addition of two numbers, like 4 plus 4 or 5 plus 3. So the justification of the chosen number is because 8 has more possible combination to decompose, providing more flexible in terms of how it can be represented as a sum, allowing more creative usage. So as example, like earlier I said 4 plus 4 and 5 plus 3 are the sum of the possible decomposition of addition that can be done. So the why I not so why six not be chosen is because six also can be decomposed, but it is lower possible combination. So as example, we can use decomposition of 4 plus 4 to solve the problem earlier by 8 minus 4 and 6 plus 4, which is equal to 14. And we can also use the composition of 5 plus 3 by 8 minus 5 that we get 3 and 6 plus 5 that we will get 11. Then eventually the answer will become 40. I think that's all. Thank you.